In this video, I'll show you how you can create a QR code for multiple links. So open up your web browser, go to Google and type in me QR. Once you've done that, you should be able to scroll down and find it. It will be me-qr.com. Go ahead and open up this website. This is the website we're going to use. What we can do once we're on the homepage is click on list of links here. This will allow you to create a list of links and then create a QR code for it. So you can see QR code templates and we can create a list here. You can choose any of these templates or you can go ahead and start from scratch. I'll just use this very basic template here with an image, some text and then our links. So we can go ahead and click on this. Then we can go ahead and create our completely free account. So I'm just going to log in with Google. So now we're logged in, we can go ahead and edit this. And then what we can do is create the QR code after. So this is fairly simple to edit. All you need to do is click on whatever you need to edit. So we can go ahead and click on the logo. You can then click edit and then upload your own logo. So I could exit out of this one, click upload image and upload an image of myself. Because I don't have one right now, I'm just going to save the changes and we'll just keep the default logo. You can then go ahead and change the text and you can start to enter your links. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually remove this text box here. So if we click on it, we can go to options and then delete content and it will just move it. So now we've got KnowledgeBase, all of our links in one place. Now we'll click on the first link. And again, you can go ahead and edit the icon if you wanted to by uploading an image of that icon. They also have custom icons down here. So I'm going to change this one to YouTube and we'll click save changes. And then what we can do is we can double click on this. And now what we can do is link YouTube. So I'm going to type here YouTube and we'll click save changes. Now we're going to need to make sure that this box goes to YouTube. So if we click on it, we can then go to action and then on click open the URL and you want to type in your URLs here. So you would obviously have your YouTube URL or any other link that you're trying to add. You can do this again for all of these different links. And once you're happy and you've customized your links here to however you need them, you can then click generate QR code. What that will do is it will give you a QR code which you can go ahead and download as a PNG format. You can also customize these with some of their pre-made templates, but if you want a simple QR, click download QR code and there you go, we've now got it downloaded. Now when we open it, we can then add this to any of our designs. If someone was to scan it, it would go to our page with all of our links on. So now I've opened up a QR code scanner. We can then go ahead and upload our QR. So upload it from your file explorer. And then as you can see, this QR code is going to go to a URL. And then this URL should show our links and our page. So there you go, that's all working. I hope that quick video helped you out.